In this short tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can be creative with your questions to deliver multiple teaching points. Let me show you an example. I'm going to be here in this example. We're going to be using a previous slide, which is simple text to set up the question. Then we're going to go to the question. This particular question is kind of creative. It's really leading to the teaching point I want to make to my students. So I ask the question, I ask my audience to answer it, and remember, wrong answers and any answer selected are additional teaching points that can be made. Then I'm going to drive home the point of this question to my audience. So in this example, we set it up, we have our question, and then we have our summary slide to deliver additional teaching points. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com. Take care.